like this from the cool guys. This is Narayan. Today it's not so cool. It's like kind of cute this time. It's my pet budgie. It's known as Chirpy. You know, like we had a couple. The girl died. I don't know for what reason. Now the boy is staying. The dad. Actually, now we kept it for a long time in the cage. Very long time. So today we just thought of try to hold in our hand. So we are trying to tame our pet budgie. It's kind of cool. It's getting pretty tame, pretty well tamed.
Yeah. Where are you going?
Whatever. I don't know how to touch it. Anyway, this is Naren. We are gonna, this is a requesting video to help us to know how to tame budgie very well. Right now, by looking at mine, very long time in the cage, so it's kind of sleepy.
So
Cute. Anyway, so these all people were extremely scared. These all people were scared to hold and they started it. Even I was kind of scared to hold. But whatever. Here's Narayan. He's going to tell you about the budgie, what are problems it has, how does it look like, how is it good to tame and all. So Narayan, please.
you need to slowly take it, okay? Like this. Slowly. You don't have to move it fast. You'll get scared. So like this slowly touch it like this. Slowly. It'll be good. See? You don't get scared. First it'll flatter its wings badly. See?
You mean flap its wings badly?
Okay, so you need to keep it carefully. You always can shut up. Okay, so the bird should get proper rest. You should not take it always in your hand. You should leave it calm.
You have to take it I heard that you have to take the budgie at least 3 times in a day or 2.
You should always take it. Not always
I heard every day at least 2 times you have to take it out of its cage.
So it doesn't get bored at all.
Yeah.
It's alone. It doesn't have its husband, I think so.
Hey, it's a boy.
Oh yeah, sorry, it's wife. Okay. Now it's a bit kind of sleepy. So
Bye.
bye. Subscribe.
I know, please tell me, give me a response video on how to tame it. Anyway, sorry, my face didn't come. Anyway, bye.